Okay, so many times what happens is that we take a lot of energy. It's like everybody has a capacity of taking energy. Okay, and for us it is like, everybody, आप देखना, जो very very enlightened masters can take even more higher energy in the body and still they will not be affected. And there are people who can take just a little bit of energy and they will get affected. Like, very new person, someone joined yesterday or day before yesterday, and she was saying, I was feeling very angry. I suddenly, after the meditation, I was feeling very angry. So these so whenever there is an excess of energy in the body, two things we can ground. That's very important. We this we haven't done, we can also start doing, which I do it every day in my imagination, sending love and light to the whole world. That way also my energy, whatever जो excess है ना, वो निकल जाता है और blessings चला जाता है universe पे, world पे and everything. So whenever that we do a lot, and especially in the last 2 3 days, because of full moon, we did so much of powerful meditations, right? So these meditations, they create lot of excess energy. Hmm? And because of the excess energy, two things happen. Sometimes we feel, you will see, इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि during COVID many people had spiritual emergency. It's called spiritual emergency. कि कभी कभी क्या होता है, कोविड के टाइम में लोग डर के मारे ना अचानक से मेडिटेशन ले लिए। लेने के बाद क्या किया, वो लोग सारा दिन रात मेडिटेशन करने लगे, बिकॉज दे गॉट टू नो मेडिटेशन कैन सेव मी, मेडिटेशन कैन प्रोटेक्ट मी फ्रॉम डेथ एंड चेंज, save me from COVID. So many people, they went into spiritual emergency during COVID. The reason was because of they meditated. These people, new people, the body is not ready. They are not just, and they used to meditate day in and day and night, and they took in so much of energy. So much of energy लोगे तो पागल हो सकते हो, means you can have illusions, because इतना एनर्जी हो गया, ब्रेन में चढ़ गया है। एंड ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा रहेगा, वो सेटल भी हो जाएगा अगर आप ग्राउंडिंग करते रहो। बट मेनी टाइम्स बहुत ज्यादा ले लोगे तो इफ योर बॉडी इज नॉट रेडी, कभी कभी बहुत महीनों तक आपको प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। that especially for new people, you are not new, you meditate. That's why I also say कि मेरे क्लास में आके अचानक से बहुत पावरफुल meditations मत करो। I teach powerful meditations, even normal meditate. That's why I say that either you meditate, I have 4 S's that you should be following, कि सत्संग, सेवा, स्वाध्याय, सज्जन संगत्य, साधना। सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू शुड, फिर भी नहीं करते हो, घर पे भी मेडिटेट करते हो, बट डू इट रेगुलरली देन। डोंट जस्ट डू सडनली जॉइन मी एंड डू अ वेरी पावरफुल meditation. You will have problem like the way people were having problem in COVID. This is called spiritual emergency. Excess हो गया है energy body में, and this is where grounding works. Grounding हमारा क्या करता है, मदर अर्थ, there are called electrons and protons in the mother earth, and it has a beautiful way of soaking anything that is excess anywhere in this environment. And even for us also, anything that is excess, if we just stay with, flat with our legs like this on the ground, standing or sitting on the ground, for half an hour, the mother earth will take away all the excess energies that we no longer require. Okay, that's why grounding is so essential. I keep on telling that if whenever you feel restless, whenever you feel you cannot sleep, you should either do YouTube grounding, जहाँ पे energetically we are releasing. If you cannot go out, people in the European countries, many are here in the European countries, cold country, no problem. You don't have to go out and put your bare foot. You can just use YouTube guided meditation and you can do grounding. Okay, so excess से क्या होता है, excess sometimes, you will feel, oh, I am so spiritual, still why do I have so much of anger, इतना क्यों anger आ रहा है मेरा, huh? Or you might be feel, oh, I'm so spiritual, still why do I feel so sexually aroused. Okay, all these things might happen. Understand science, don't go into guilt. Okay, this is just, spiritual science. I'm not talking about all this mumbo jumbo spirituality जहाँ पे कोई science नहीं है। जहाँ पे साइंस है, you don't need to feel guilty about feeling angry or feeling sexually aroused. And sexual energy is also very beautiful energy. It can, if you know how to use it, you can attain enlightenment through that. Okay, Osho taught all these techniques. But if that is happening, all you need to do is go and ground. Okay, or use grounding. Second is, in our past life, there are so many past lives that we had. एंड इन एवरी लाइफ देयर वर सम ट्रॉमास, सम कुछ ना कुछ हमारे साथ हुआ जहाँ पे वी लॉस्ट आवर पावर, वी लॉस्ट आवर वर्थ, वी लॉस्ट रेस्पेक्ट। इतना पूरा नहीं, थोड़ा सा पावर गया, थोड़ा सा रेस्पेक्ट गया, उस लाइफ में और थोड़ा रेस्पेक्ट गया, अपने आप को वर्दी नहीं फील करती हूँ, अपने आप को गुड इनफ फील नहीं करती हूँ। द सोल एक्चुअली व्हेन इट ड्रॉप्ड, पहला जो बर्थ सोल का था वो बहुत प्योर सोल था, बट इट वॉज ऑल्सो एन इनोसेंट सोल, इट डिडंट नो मच अबाउट द वर्ल्ड। तो उसके ऊपर लेयर्स होने लगे, ट्रॉमास, लेयर्स, खुद का कर्मा नेगेटिव करते करते ही द सोल लॉस्ट लॉट ऑफ पार्ट्स इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लाइफ टाइम्स। दैट्स व्हाई ऑल्सो वी फील वेरी अनग्राउंडेड, हमको पता नहीं हम क्यों इतने रेस्टलेस रेस्टलेस फील कर रहे हैं, बट फॉर मेनी one of the reason is our parts, our body, many astral parts, इसको astral parts बोलते हैं, body part I'm not talking, it's an energetic parts which we have lost in different different time zones, in different different lifetimes. So grounding also helps us. When we ground and we imagine we are bringing back all the parts and we are start feeling the body, it also helps us to bring all the parts and start feeling whole in our body. Okay, this also helps. Grounding also helps in, as Shubhra said, grounding also helps in being in the present moment. Okay, present moment में रहना is also very important, part of grounding. हम्म तो हम बहुत सारे तरीकों से हम ग्राउंडिंग को हम देख सकते हैं. Then what was I talking about? Yes, this paths. Okay, so this is what you talk. What are the other things that you can do with grounding? How can we ground now? How can we ground? Hmm? So, a third thing that I wanted to say is that sometimes what happens is that we feel very lonely in our life. Okay, so loneliness comes from feeling that I am not, I am all alone. I have nobody. Okay. Grounding, when we do, it is like we are sending our roots to the Mother Earth. And because Mother Earth is connected to everything everywhere in the earth, and if we can touch that base of Mother Earth, feeling that actually I am, it's there, we are all connected. You know, नीचे जाओगे तो roots भी एक के साथ एक connected है, and you will feel that you are not alone, you are connected and supported by everything else in the whole world. Okay, another thing that happens with grounding is you feel very safe. The root chakra, जो भी root chakra का जो भी चीज है ना, that also comes with grounding, because because grounding is connected, our grounding work also is happens through the root chakra. The lowest of the chakra पे ही हम काम करते हैं grounding के लिए, because the root chakra is connected to grounding. So whenever we ground, we feel very, the all the root chakra imbalances also starts getting balanced. जैसे we feel fear जो है हमारे जीवन में, you know not trusting life, not trusting people, because कुछ हुआ है उससे हमको कोई किसी को भी ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते. क्या होता है, हम ही सफर करते हैं, राइट? We only suffer when we cannot trust people, when we can't feel safe, we don't feel secured. कैसा लगता है बहुत. That's why restlessness क्यों होता है हम में. Ungrounded का मतलब क्या है? You'll feel restless, restless, restless. That means you're not feeling safe. You feel very airy. एंड मदर अर्थ क्या करता है, ढंग करके आपको पूरा खींच के आपको होल्ड करके रखता है एक सब. आपको, हैव यू सीन दोस ट्रीज, they are like, strong, and कितना भी wind आए, no matter how much there is storms, if the trunk is steady and deeply rooted in the earth, it will blow, it will go left and right, but it will not fall off. Okay, so this is the beauty of grounding. Yeah, hum में भी, when we imagine as if we are that like trees with roots strong, connected, we will also be like that. Okay, we are meditating and sometimes we feel that it's so important to be in the higher zones, as see Krishna, see Shiva, see Saraswati and all these people. But what happens is that इतना कुछ हो रहा है, अगर हम ग्राउंड नहीं करते हैं तो वो. Another thing, what grounding does is, so let me just share ki this is what happens: safety, security, stability, all these things grounding will bring. Okay. We have understood that when you do grounding. Second is another thing that grounding does is that people who are meditators, many people, especially in the beginning years of practice, they want to be in the higher zone. एरी एरी फील हो रहा है, एकदम एकदम हवा में उड़ रही हूँ, मेडिटेशन कर रही हूँ तो एकदम कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग. बट इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग दैट कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा है. ये इसको स्पिरिचुअल बाईपास कर बोलते हैं. यू नो, कि आप स्पिरिचुअली आप बाईपास किए जा रहे हो, आप वापस नहीं आ रहे हो, कि आपको डील भी करना है रियलिटी में. आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे हो बट अगेन आपको वापस बॉडी में आना है, बॉडी से आपको काम करना है. So many times what happens is that these people, they become lazy also. If you're not very grounded person, you will see you are a lazy person also. You will not feel like doing things much physically, because physically grounding is related to physicality. It gives you strength in the body, it gives you, the all the energy that is needed for the body to work. But grounding अगर नहीं होगा ना, बॉडी ना ऐसा 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 फील होगा कि हवा में उड़ रहे हैं, कुछ है नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ लेजी कुछ नहीं करने का मन करेगा एंड एवरीथिंग. और आप सिर्फ सपना देखोगे. You will meditate and you will dream as if I have achieved this in life, I have achieved that in life, I have done this in life. और विजुअलाइज करोगे, सब कुछ करोगे, लेकिन फिर भी आप देखो उसको मैनिफेस्ट फिजिकली नहीं कर पाओगे. Even after meditation also, you will see that you will not be able to manifest physically things in your life. Even if you are a good meditator, you can go into emptiness, you can do visualization, you're feeling good, everything. Still, you will see you will not be able to manifest it physically. Because to manifest things physically, you also need a lot of grounding in your body. कि हो गया visualization, अभी मुझे बॉडी में आना है. मीन्स उस चीज को मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए मुझे जो जो एक्शंस लेना है, मुझे वो लेना है ना. मैं नहीं लेके तो बैठ के सिर्फ सोच नहीं सकती कि वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. राइट. तो उसके लिए भी मेरा वो जो फिजिकलिटी चाहिए, वो भी ग्राउंडिंग से आधा हुआ आता है. अदरवाइज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी विल ऑलवेज बी इन अ ड्रीमी लैंड. सोचेंगे और ड्रीम करेंगे और विजुअलाइज करेंगे और कुछ नहीं करेंगे. This also happens with many people who are spiritual in the beginning. They think that just by this, that's why it's a combination. Even if I don't do grounding often in the class because I do different topics. That doesn't mean aap khud se that doesn't mean you yourself will not be doing grounding on a regular basis. You have to keep doing grounding. There are so many grounding meditations in YouTube that you can do. Okay. Also, friends, and say connections, not just connection with the whole, it's not living beings, non-living beings, whether it is birds, insects, plants, everything. You are connected when you feel grounded. You also feel very connected to ancestors, because most of the time kya hua hai, you have burnt your ancestors, or you have, they are in grave. In both the cases, they are in earth. Okay, so that's why at least their physical self somewhere deep down, even if the soul has left, the physical self is somewhere deep down inside the earth. So in transgenerational healing, we do so much of blessings. We take so much of blessings from ancestors. When we feel connected to ancestors, we don't feel lonely. Loneliness comes when we feel we are alone. Loneliness comes when we feel we don't have any ancestors. When we don't connect, क्या रे मेरा तो कितना बड़ा lineage है कि because of all their love, I am today here. We forget that there was so much of love to bring me in this world. So grounding also helps us to, if we intend, we can also connect to our ancestors. Okay. Grounding also helps us to connect to our gurus. Okay. That I'm connecting to the gurus, and I'm bowing down to all of them. And connecting to gurus also give you a lot of strength, because gurus, they are always so loving, they want your growth, they are thinking about you. So when you connect to their energies, their energies will support you and feel you, make you feel way more strong. So these are so many ways grounding is so important, friends. Did you get it? How important grounding is? लेकिन हम ज्यादातर क्या सोचते हैं कि ना, even for chakras also, ना, what happens is that we think that this is the best chakra, this is the bestest chakra, it's like that, and नीचे का चक्रा कुछ है नहीं. But to attain enlightenment, all your chakras have to be completely clean, balanced, energized. एक बार करने से नहीं होगा. करते 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 करते, after many years, all of your chakras, when it gets clean, that's when you attain enlightenment. And for that also you need the root chakra to clean. And root chakra is, it's the starting point. Even root chakra se, bolte ki the shakti starts from the root or the sacral. वाटर इज ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्राउंडिंग एनर्जी. जो सेक्रल चक्रा है वो भी लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्राउंडिंग है उसमें, बिकॉज वाटर है. इट वॉज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द अर्थ, राइट? सो शक्ति, व्हेन द एनर्जी, व्हेन वी से कुंडलिनी राइजिंग, राइज कैसे करेगा अगर हम नीचे वाले जगह को ही, हम उसको ही प्रे नहीं, उसको ही क्लीन नहीं करते, उसको ही सपोर्ट नहीं देते, उसको ही स्ट्रेंथ नहीं देते हैं. तो राइज कैसे करेगा? सो इसीलिए ये नीचे वाले चक्रास, दीज चक्रास आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द चक्रास बिलो. And see, because these chakras are, they are connected to Shakti. This is where the Shakti, the lowest, or the just either the Shakti bolte, depending on the person's state of mind, the Shakti resides either in the root chakra, the lowest chakra, or 2 inches below the navel, which is the sacral chakra, jahan pe Shakti rehti hai. Okay. And when we are meditating, knowing or unknowing, there are ways of, also very powerful ways of kundalini awakening, which I don't suggest. That's why we go slow. Even the powerful meditations that we do, locks, we first do chakra cleaning, and then we do it, so that the backbone, the spine, energetic spine is clear. Okay. But niche ka jo hai na, this is the place of Shakti. And Shakti, only when Shakti meets Shiva, that's when the enlightenment happened. So enlightenment cannot happen just with the Shiva energy. It needs the Shakti energy to attain enlightenment. That's why grounding is so important. Have you seen Shakti, or and another thing is that Shakti, if you also see Shakti, Shiva gives a lot of things, we all know, but Shakti is, Shiva का एनर्जी ऐसा है कि वो बोलता है कि सब कुछ त्याग करो, एम्प्टीनेस पे जाओ, एनलाइटनमेंट लो. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटिफुल वे, गोइंग इन टू एम्प्टीनेस, बिकमिंग वन विद शिवा. एंड इफ यू बिकम वन, वो नेचुरली यू विल मैनिफेस्ट. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. एंड शक्ति बोलती है सब कुछ भोगो. Shakti says you should enjoy everything in life and also enjoy enlightenment as well. That's why many people, Shakti Upasak, na, you will see when you start. mm, Many people go into, people who are into idol worshipping or Shakti and all this Tripura Sundari worshippers and everything. You will see Tripura Sundari, they worship so that they can manifest a lot of physical things in their life. Shakti helps to manifest things. That's what grounding does. Okay. So when we are meditators, we should be working on, agar if you also want to manifest things, this is the place of Shakti. We need to make sure that the grounding works properly in us. The more grounded we are, the more we will see beautiful manifestations happening in our life. Okay. So there are so many reasons. Even, right, that Shakti is like, in Shakti temples, because it is the Shakti resides in the lower chakras. Even if you have periods, you can enter. Log kuch bhi bole, but in reality, even if you have periods, you can enter Shakti temples. You should not be entering Shiva temples, because Shiva resides here. Okay. During periods, it will have knots, because your energies are trying. Your period means apana, pana apana bolte na, vayu. So there is one energy which is going down, one energy which is going up. So during periods, the energies are going down. It's naturally grounding. So इसीलिए बोलते periods में ना, periods के पहले we might feel very irritated and everything, but during periods you will see a lot of relief happening, because naturally we are releasing a lot of things. That's why periods also, when during periods, if we are aware, many people reached out to me saying that I feel so irritated during periods, I feel so angry during periods. I say very good. It is giving you indications about what you need to really transform in your life. Keep a watch, be aware, work with your inner child and everything. And when your periods start, imagine as if all that you no longer serve, you are now releasing. So period is also, it's like you are releasing a lot of things through grounding. So that's why Shakti temples you can go, and during periods, but Shiva temple you cannot go, because see, Shiva temple during periods your energies are going down, and Shiva is like going up. It's a cross of energy. It's not the right way. Energy wo ho raha hai na. They are not going in the same way, same flow. So तब क्या होता है, कभी कभी you will have problems in the uterus, sometimes you might have problems, all those knots and all these things happening in the uterus happens when you go to, especially when you go to highly consecrated place. घर पे फिर भी कर दिया तो ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने घर पे इतना ज्यादा पावर लगा के शिवा को नहीं बनाया है, लेकिन हाईली कॉन्सिक्रेटेड प्लेसेस यू शुड अवॉइड, बिकॉज वहां पे बहुत पावर है, बहुत पावर है शिवा का, एंड द एनर्जीज आर ट्राइंग टू गो अप एंड योर पीरियड्स आर डाउन. So that is also the reason we avoid going to Shiva temples during periods, but you can easily visit Shakti temples during periods. Okay, so see, there is so much of science. हम जब science नहीं समझते तब सब चीज में हम डर सब कुछ लगा देते हैं. We put a lot of fear. There is so much of fear because we don't understand science. Hmm? Once we understand science, everything is like, you just, it's just science. Agar if you have made mistake also, if you have, imagine you have made some mistake also, that also can be changed. Hmm? Even those shame and guilt regarding all those things, कि ये करो तो ये है, ये तो ये है. मैं, why I'm spiritual, why do should I get angry, I'm spiritual, why should I have sexual urge? When you know the science, you no longer feel guilty about anything. Okay, anybody has any question? Then we will go for grounding meditation.